Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can earn more money to buy dresses like these ones that cost the dress to impress money that they have here. So when you play this game, my advice to you is to walk around where these pink cash spawns. You'll get sometimes $1, $2, $3, but the gold one, if they spawn, like this one, it gives you more money. So like $18 for instance. And you're just going to walk around the money, but make sure you do it when you're not still trying to dress yourself up. I'm just making a tutorial, so I'm just walking through it. There's also one in the lobby where you can go to these obstacles, and you'll have to race though against everybody else if you want to get more of the cash. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. And yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.